Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the autoplay suggest workouts feature on the Enki-Learn to code application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the profile button at the lower right corner of the screen and go to the settings option in the your experience section. Scroll down and in the app preferences section you can find the second option, the autoplay suggested workouts, and if you want to enable, just click to the next gray circle and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.